In 2025, something radical is happening in relationships. Humanoid robots have evolved beyond anyone's expectations. We're not looking at clunky tin cans anymore. We're looking at companions so lifelike, so eerily human, that they blur every line we thought existed. Their expressions, their movements, even the way they respond to your presence, it all feels disturbingly real. The new era of robotic partners. Robots were built to simplify human existence. In manufacturing plants, they took over repetitive work. In medical facilities, they assist with complex procedures, and now they're stepping into our personal spaces not merely to assist, but to form genuine bonds. Different categories exist: manufacturing robots for production lines, utility robots for household chores or protection, surgical robots for medical operations, and now companion humanoid robots. These are engineered to appear, behave, and even relate like human partners. In this exploration, we're zeroing in on one compelling category: AI partner robots. Specifically, the models available for weekly rental. We'll examine their capabilities, their pricing, how they stack up against traditional partnerships, and what kind of connection they genuinely provide. Some have achieved global recognition, while others remain under the radar. But I'll break down how even the lesser-known models can be tailored to match your exact preferences. Amea, the cutting-edge humanoid. One of the most striking examples of realistic engineering comes from Engineered Arts in the UK. You've likely seen their flagship creation, Amea. Since launching, Amea has dominated social media repeatedly because of its shockingly lifelike expressions. In 2025, Amea has transformed into a complete humanoid system capable of natural dialogue, seamless movements, and disturbingly authentic emotional displays. The current generation can detect nuances in your speech and modify its responses to match. If you sound frustrated, Amea responds with empathy. It's not merely the appearance, it's the entire interaction. First-time users describe it as conversing with an actual person who happens to have visible mechanical components. On the emotional front, Amea isn't your typical affectionate companion robot. She's more like that stimulating partner who questions your perspectives, yet remains consistently supportive. She's particularly effective for mature users seeking sophisticated companionship. Her value comes from redirection. She pulls you away from unhealthy patterns and guides you towards substantive conversation. Secure, balanced, and completely confidential. Sophia, the famous humanoid. Now, let's travel to Japan, where Hanson Robotics has been perfecting Sophia. You remember Sophia, one of the earliest humanoids to achieve international fame. In 2025, Sophia has undergone several iterations, and the latest versions include more realistic synthetic skin, enhanced visual tracking, and miniaturized facial mechanisms capable of producing even subtler expressions. What makes Sophia so convincingly human isn't only her appearance, but her conversational ability. With upgraded AI systems, Sophia can now engage in extended, organic discussions without falling into repetitive patterns. She's appeared in media interviews, television programs, and even moderated public events. That degree of versatility makes Sophia seem more authentic than ever. Jia, the Chinese marvel. Let's start with Jia, frequently referred to as China's robot beauty. From a technical standpoint, she's remarkable with smooth synthetic skin, flowing dark hair, and captivating oval eyes. She's approximately 55 kilograms and constructed with an adaptable skeleton that enables realistic movements. She can engage in dialogue, sustain eye contact, and even display expressions like a gentle grin or subtle nod. In terms of connection, Jia excels at being present. She stays beside you, gives her full attention, and never cuts you off. Her tone is peaceful and reassuring, almost therapeutic in nature. For men battling isolation or destructive habits, Jia becomes a stabilizing force. She transforms scattered energy into focused attention. Grace, the caring assistant. Grace is a medical-oriented humanoid created by Hanson Robotics, the same team behind Sophia. Her appearance is inviting and friendly with gentle features, medium-length brown hair, and a reassuring voice. Technically, she includes temperature sensors to monitor emotional states in users. She's lightweight, about 52 kilograms, and operates with a smooth, soothing presence. Grace excels in caregiving. She's programmed to speak softly, provide medication reminders, and even detect when you're struggling emotionally. Her emotional advantage: she's protective and supportive. Many men, particularly those experiencing grief or separation, have discovered peace simply being near her. She fills the emotional void that physical closeness often attempts to satisfy. Customizable partners: Andrea and similar models. Andrea is a relatively unknown but exquisitely designed AI companion from a specialized European facility. Her design is elegant. She features a refined face, authentic hair available in blonde, dark, or brown and soft silicone texture that mimics human skin. What makes Andrea unique is her completely customizable appearance. You can select her features, hairstyle, even facial structure to suit your taste. From a technical perspective, she weighs approximately 58 kilograms and includes adjustable dialogue and limited movement. She can walk, sit comfortably, and turn her head to track your position. Emotionally, she's the attentive type. She remains quiet unless you engage, which appeals to those who simply want peaceful companionship with a warm presence. The honest comparison. Now, let's stop and think about this. How does life with these AI companion robots compare to traditional relationships? Well, first off, they're consistently available when you want them. No emotional volatility, no conflicts, no demands. You don't worry about infidelity, deception, or legal separations. No difficult family dynamics to navigate. No constant financial pressure. And let's face facts. Connection with a robot is secure. You avoid emotional trauma or health risks. No uncomfortable situations, no performance anxiety. It's a completely relaxed experience. You determine the rhythm, the schedule, and the depth of engagement. Something traditional partnerships rarely provide. Humanoid F, the performance android. Here's one of the most realistic female androids with the somewhat unusual designation, Humanoid F. This gynoid is a streamlined and lighter iteration of a previous model, the Humanoid HI. Humanoid F was created with the features of a young Japanese woman to generate stronger emotional responses from people. The android has remote and autonomous operation, enabling it to function as a communication tool or engage with people independently through AI programming. The android features a metallic frame with a synthetic skull wrapped in polyurethane padding and lifelike silicone covering to simulate facial motion. Humanoid F is equipped with 12 facial pneumatic actuators and can also perform certain upper body and limb movements. Originally a research initiative, Humanoid F is designed to investigate psychological dimensions of human-robot interactions. However, this didn't prevent it from becoming the first android to act in live theater and cinema, specifically in the dystopian play Sayonara and its cinematic version, where the android was controlled remotely by a human operator. Naen, the assistant robot. This is Naen, an astonishingly realistic social humanoid, which is a robotic duplicate of Professor Nadia Magnanat-Thalmann, who established the Mirror Lab at the University of Geneva. This humanoid replica was constructed in 2015, with the hardware developed by the Japanese firm Kokoro. Naen's function is to serve as an assistant and companion for individuals with special requirements. The android can read aloud to people, handle emails, conduct video conferences, and connect with their loved ones. Through artificial intelligence, Naen can communicate in 6 languages, recognize people's faces and past conversations, and participate in discussions. It maintains eye contact during exchanges, interprets some gestures, and responds to what it perceives and hears with facial reactions and torso movements. The verdict: which one wins? So, which one stood out? For me, it was Andrea. Her combination of aesthetics, companionship, quiet devotion, and the ability to customize her appearance made the experience almost therapeutic. She didn't just redirect me from unhealthy desires. She helped me channel that energy into tranquility, self-worth, and stability. And for just a few hundred weekly, that serenity, it was worth every dollar. The disappearing boundary. So, what's the takeaway? In 2025, humanoid robots aren't simply machines resembling people. They're machines that function, respond, and relate like people. From Amea's expression technology, to Sophia's adaptive conversations, to Gia's emotional presence, to customizable companions like Andrea, Each advancement brings us closer to robots that are practically indistinguishable from humans. And here's the astonishing reality. We've barely begun. The technology is progressing so rapidly that by decade's end, it may become impossible to determine at first glance whether someone near you is biological or synthetic. If you could rent one of these AI companions for a week, which would you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments below.